Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to take screenshots on iPad. If you have an older iPad model with a home button on the front, such as the iPad 2021, then the process to take a screenshot will be slightly different, and it can also be a bit trickier since you'll need to use two hands. Make sure whatever you want to take a screenshot of is shown the way you want on your iPad. Simultaneously, press the top button located on the top right edge when you holding your iPad in portrait orientation and the home button. Unlike the newer iPads, this is two-handed operation, so make sure you press them at the same time. Otherwise, your iPad may simply turn off instead of capturing a screenshot. Once you've successfully captured a screenshot, your iPad screen will flash and the thumbnail preview of your screenshot will appear in the bottom left corner of your screen. As with the newer iPads, you'll also get a camera-like shutter click sound as confirmation, assuming your iPad isn't in silent mode. Wait for the thumbnail of the screenshot to disappear or swipe it off the edge of the screen to dismiss it manually. You'll be able to find the image saved in your photo library in the Photos app. If you're unable to press the two physical buttons at the same time, then Apple Assistive Touch Accessibility feature offers an entirely buttonless way to capture a screenshot. Assistive Touch is designed to help you perform a range of more complex touch-based commands on the iPad through a simple menu that is just a few taps away. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.